In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum table values in Confluence. If you've got a table of numbers in Confluence and you want a clear total, this walkthrough will show you how to set it up so the result is accurate and easy to maintain. Start by opening the Confluence page that already contains the table you want to work with. Make sure you have permission to edit the page. If you can view but not change the content, you'll need edit access before you continue. Click Edit at the top of the page to switch into editing mode. This is important because you'll be applying a calculation or macro, and those changes can only be made while editing. Look closely at the table to confirm it contains the numbers you want to add. Check that the values are actually numbers, not text that only looks like numbers. For example, currency symbols, spaces, or commas in unexpected places can cause a cell to be treated as text. If needed, clean up the cells so they're consistent, using plain numeric values with the same decimal style across the column. Next, choose your calculation method. You can use a table calculation, a spreadsheet style macro, or a formula macro, whichever your Confluence setup provides. The idea is the same in each case. Let the macro read the numeric cells and compute a total for you. If your environment supports a spreadsheet macro, you'll work much like you would in a typical spreadsheet. If you have a formula or calculation macro, you'll reference the target cells or column and let the macro output the result directly on the page. Select the column or specific cells you want to sum. Be precise here. Avoid including the header row and make sure your selection only covers the values you intend to total. If you're summing a whole column, selecting from the first numeric row through the last numeric row is usually best. Add the sum formula or the calculation setting provided by your chosen macro. In a spreadsheet macro, that might look like typing sum for the selected range. In a formula or calculation macro, you'll typically choose sum as the operation and point it to your selected cells or column. Set number formatting if available, so the total displays clearly. Finally, publish the page and confirm that the total appears correctly. After publishing, verify by scanning the numbers and, if needed, changing a value and refreshing to ensure the total updates as expected. If the result looks off, re-edit the page to check cell formats and your selection range, and that's it. Your Confluence table now displays a reliable total.